We all know AI is evolving fast, and there are tons of AI image and video generation tools out there. But with so many options, it's hard to know which one is actually the best. What if I told you there's one AI tool that gives you access to almost every image and video generator in one place? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to generate images and videos using this powerful AI tool. Before we jump in, make sure to like and subscribe. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get into it. So this is the AI tool right here. And from the get-go, you can see that the interface looks really, really clean. Honestly, this AI tool is the best when it comes to image and video generation because it makes it so easy for me and you to generate high-quality images and cinematic videos in just a few clicks. The first thing you want to do is to hover over the navigation for images and videos and click on it. And you can see the beautiful things you can do with this AI tool. Over the course of this video, we are going to be testing out every single one of these features. You head over to your draft and click on New Agent, and you will be loaded into this interface. All you need to do next is to click on main.flow under the Automations tab. And now you can see that this AI tool is fully automated, which means you can generate realistic images and videos very easily. As you can see, there is a start and end function on the canvas. Don't let this confuse you. Just click on the plus button between them. Whether you want to generate text, generate images, or generate videos, or many other things you can do with this AI tool, you can just click on it. But firstly, we are going to be generating images. So I am going to select Generate Image from the block menu. And now we will be loaded over to this interface. As you can see, there is a prompt box here where you just need to type in a simple prompt. I am going to be saying realistic woman with pink hair, just like this. And if you scroll down, make sure to leave the output on display to user so we can see the result. And for the model, you can see that there are many models that you can use. Completely, every single model is right here on this AI tool, and you can hover over them to see their specs. For this first one, I am going to be trying Flux 2 Pro, because it is one of the latest models that were added to this, and it is really realistic. So just select this, and you can set the seed to random if you want different generations every time, or if you want consistent generations, just leave it on manual. And you can click here to turn off the watermark if you want that clean look. Just scroll up. All you have to do now is click on the Start block. Once again, click on Start, change the trigger mode to Workbench, and click on Run. And now our request is being generated in the background. In no time, our image is ready. Just click on it and you'll see how good this AI tool is. As you can see, truly astonishing results. Honestly, this looks really good, and it's a fully automated AI tool. You can just click here to go back and remove this if you don't want to generate images again. Simply click on it and then click on Delete. And then click on the plus button once again and select Generate Video. Once again, you can see that there are different models that you can choose from, almost every single industry-leading model. Honestly, that's to show you how powerful this AI tool is. With the realistic videos and images you can generate with this, it's really impressive. Just select any model of your choice. I'm going to go with VEO 3. Once you have it selected, you can choose the duration. I'm going to leave it at 8 seconds for a longer clip. And you can choose whether you want audio or not. The AI can actually generate the sound for you. For this generation, I'm going to be selecting yes, I want audio. For the negative prompts, I recommend typing something like morphing or distorted. This is just a safe prompt to make sure that the AI video being generated is really realistic and stable. Having this, I'm just going to type in a simple prompt again. I'm going to say, realistic video of a young woman with pink hair standing on a beach saying, subscribe to Beaky AI Girl. Just like this. And once again, click on Run. And once again, our video is being generated. Honestly, one of the best things about this AI tool, which is MindStudio, is how quick it is in audio, video, and image generation. As you can see, in no time, our video is ready. Let's take a look at what this AI tool has generated.
Subscribe to Beck the AI girl. She's my girl.
Honestly, really, really realistic. For a test video, this is really, really astonishing. Make sure to check out other video generation models too. You can once again go back to the main flow and change the model settings. I'm going to scroll down and select Sora 2 Pro, just like this, and click on Use Model, and type in a simple prompt like this once again, and click Run. The AI tool begins to generate our video once again. And in no time, our video is ready. Let's take a look. And wow, as you can see, at first I thought that was just a video that was gotten out of the web. It was honestly that realistic. And once again, this AI tool has lots and lots of models to choose from. Make sure to check it out. And if you head back over here, you can also publish your agent by clicking the Publish button at the top. And once you publish it, all you have to do is head back to your dashboard. And now, whenever you want to generate images, all you have to do is click here, and it will automatically be set to VEO3 or whatever you chose. And you will be able to open your workbench, type in your prompt, and generate a video instantly. Honestly, this AI tool is truly, truly a beast. Make sure to check it out. The name of this AI tool is MindStudio. Link will be in the bio.